There are places on Earth that feel more like a memory than a destination. They exist just beyond the edge of our imagination, shimmering in the half-light between dream and reality. Mallorca is one of those places. Mallorca may be the most beautiful island in Europe, a jewel of the Mediterranean, polished by sun and sea, its name whispered like a promise of paradise. But most people only see a fraction of it. They see the postcard, the curated, glossy image sold to the world, but they miss the soul. They experience the echo, not the voice. This journey is about peeling back those layers, one by one. It's about trading the beaten path for the hidden trail, the crowded resort for the silent cove. To find the pulse of the island that beats far from the crowded beaches, a rhythm set by the tides and the Tramuntana winds. It is a promise of the wonders that lie hidden, just waiting to be found. A challenge to look deeper, to explore further, and to discover the Mallorca that reveals itself only to the patient and the curious. Our journey begins where the land meets the sea. But this is no ordinary meeting. This is a dramatic, theatrical collision of elements, a geological masterpiece sculpted over millennia. Here, at places like the legendary Cap de Formentor, the island doesn't gently slope into the water. It commands it. It's a palette so vivid, so pure, it feels as if you are looking at the very blueprint of paradise. The stark white of the limestone, a canvas for the impossible blues and greens of the Balearic Sea. This is nature's artistry at its most raw and powerful. The scale is breathtaking, designed to make you feel both awestruck and insignificant. These cliffs, standing like ancient sentinels, have witnessed empires rise and fall, their faces weathered by salt and time, guarding the island's heart. To truly understand the coastline, you must travel its edge on roads that seem to defy gravity itself. The legendary MA10, a ribbon of asphalt draped across the Serra de Tramuntana mountains, is more than a road. It's an experience. With every hairpin bend, the world opens up in a new and astonishing way. Each turn is a carefully orchestrated reveal, a fresh masterpiece of sea and sky that forces you to pull over, to breathe, to simply be. It's a drive that makes you feel alive, acutely aware of your own smallness against the grandeur of nature. The engineering is a marvel, but the true architect is the landscape it serves. It's a perfect metaphor for the island itself, a journey through shadows to find the light, a reminder that the greatest rewards often lie just beyond the challenging path. And then you see it, a break in the formidable line of cliffs. You discover one of Mallorca's most treasured secrets, the cala. But a word of warning: paradise is no longer a secret. For iconic spots like Calo des Moro, the reward demands an early start. Parking is scarce, the path can be steep, and by mid-morning, you'll be sharing this sliver of heaven with many others. These are not just beaches. They are intimate sanctuaries, carved by nature and tucked away from the world. But Mallorca's coastline is a study in contrasts. For every rugged, hard-to-reach cala, there is a sweeping bay like Playa de Muro or Alcudia in the north. Here, the water is shallow and calm, the sand stretches for miles, and the vibe is relaxed and family-friendly, with lifeguards on duty and amenities close at hand. In the south, you'll find Es Trunk, the island's answer to the Caribbean. Its protected dunes and impossibly white sand make it a natural wonder. But its beauty comes with responsibility. Parking is regulated to protect the delicate ecosystem, and shade is a commodity you must bring yourself. Always check the beach flags. The clear water can sometimes host jellyfish, and the color-coded system is your best guide to safety. For those seeking a balance, the Mondragó Natural Park on the east coast offers a perfect blend. Two stunning coves, Siamador and Cala Mondragó, are connected by a beautiful coastal path. It's accessible, yet feels wild. Further north, the adventurous are rewarded at Cala Vargas, a bohemian paradise reachable only by a long walk or by boat, a true escape for those willing to make the effort. The best time to experience this coastal magic is during the shoulder seasons, April, May, September, and October. When the sun is gentle, the water is refreshing, and the crowds have thinned. allowing the island to breathe. Here, the world slows down. The only sounds are the lapping of the water and the whisper of pines. In these moments, suspended in liquid crystal, you understand. You understand that the true luxury of Mallorca isn't found in a five-star hotel, but in the profound, simple peace of a hidden cove. But what if even these hidden places hold deeper secrets? What if the coastline is not just a boundary, but a doorway? The perfect cove is not the end of the search. It is merely a gateway, a portal to an underworld of submerged caves and secret passages, a final layer of mystery waiting to be explored by those who dare to look beneath the surface. Just when you think you understand Mallorca, the island changes. It turns its back on the sea and rises into the sky, trading the gentle whisper of waves for the ancient silence of stone. This is where the island's other soul resides, a world away from the sun-drenched shores. This is the Serra de Tramuntana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a mountain range that feels older, wilder, and more profound. Its limestone cliffs, carved by millennia of wind and water, form a formidable backbone along the island's northwest coast. This isn't the gentle, inviting beauty of the coast. It's a sterner, more formidable kind of magnificence that demands your full attention and rewards it with a deep sense of awe. The best way to experience this landscape is to journey through it. The legendary MA10 road is your guide, a ribbon of asphalt that twists and turns for over 100 kilometers. It's a drive that requires focus, but every corner reveals a new vista more breathtaking than the last. Sheer drops to the sea, glimpses of secluded coves, and panoramas that stretch across the entire island. This road is a destination in itself, a slow, deliberate pilgrimage through the heart of the mountains. Remember to share the road, as it's a world-famous route for cyclists who come to test their mettle against its challenging climbs. As you travel, you'll notice the steep, unforgiving slopes are not entirely wild. They have been tamed, sculpted by human hands over thousands of years. These are the marjades, or dry stone terraces, an incredible feat of engineering that allowed farming on near vertical terrain. On these narrow ledges, you find the gnarled, twisted trunks of ancient olive trees. Some are over 1,000 years old, their roots gripping the rock, their branches reaching for the sun. They are living monuments, a collaboration between humanity and nature, a way of living with the mountain rather than conquering it. To truly connect with this landscape, you must walk it. The mountains are crisscrossed with ancient paths, most famously the GR221, the dry stone route. Hiking here is a multi-sensory experience. The scent of pine and wild rosemary, the sound of sheep bells echoing in the valleys, the feeling of sun-warmed stone under your fingertips. But be prepared. The terrain is rugged, so sturdy footwear is essential. The weather can change in an instant, so always carry water, sun protection, and check the forecast before you set out. But the mountains do not reveal all their secrets on the trails. Now they offer a new promise, the promise of intimacy, found within the honey-stoned villages tucked into their folds. You'll find Valdemasa, a storybook town of cobbled lanes and flower-filled pots, forever associated with the romantic winter Chopin and George Sand spent here. A little further along the coast, Daya hangs precariously between the mountains and the sea, a longtime haven for artists and writers, its bohemian spirit still palpable in its quiet galleries and cliffside restaurants. And then there is Solar, resting in a fertile bowl known as the Valley of Oranges. The town is a vibrant hub, but its true magic lies in its connection to the sea. A vintage wooden tram, an experience in itself, trundles through citrus groves to connect the town with Port de Solar. Here, a perfect horseshoe bay offers a gentle harbor, a place where the mountains finally relent and meet the water. It's the ideal spot for a waterside lunch, or to take a boat trip to explore hidden coves like Sa Calobra, accessible only from the sea or a dramatic, winding road. Whether you're driving the serpentine roads, hiking an ancient path, or sipping coffee in a village square, the Tramuntana works its magic. The constant distractions of the modern world fall away, replaced by a sense of clarity, perspective, and a profound connection to a Mallorca that has endured for centuries. This is the island's powerful grounding counterpoint to the carefree spirit of the coast. Descending from the high peaks, you find them. To enter one is to step through a portal into another time. The streets are narrow, paved with worn cobblestones polished smooth by centuries of footsteps. Getting lost is not a risk, it is the point. To truly know Mallorca, you must venture beyond the coastline, away from the rhythm of the waves, and into the quiet heartbeat of its mountain villages. Here, in the folds of the Serra de Tramuntana, time doesn't just slow down, it deepens. The stillness of these villages is not empty. It is filled with the subtle sensory details of life being lived, a rich tapestry woven over centuries. You hear the distant, melodic clinking of a spoon against a coffee cup, a sound that echoes in sun-drenched plazas. You smell the sharp, green scent of olive oil and ripe tomatoes on toasted bread, the simple, perfect lunch of the island. You feel the warm breeze that carries the fresh, clean scent of laundry drying in the sun, a quiet flag of domestic peace flown between ancient stone walls. The people of these villages are the true keepers of the island's memory. Their faces are maps of its history. Their hands have tended its groves and built its walls. They don't just live in the village, they are the village. Their presence is a quiet lesson in belonging, a reminder that this beauty is a home, not just a destination. So tread softly, speak quietly, and observe with respect. The journey between these villages is an experience in itself. The legendary MA10 road coils through the Tramuntana range, a masterpiece of engineering that respects the landscape it traverses. Each turn reveals a new vista, a new reason to pull over and simply breathe. But be mindful, the road is narrow, demanding your full attention, and you share it with cyclists who are drawn to its challenging beauty. Give them space and savor the slow, deliberate pace. From the Valley of Oranges and Solar, you can take the vintage wooden tram down to its port, a journey back in time. Or, from the water, you can take a boat trip to see the mountains from a different perspective, watching them plunge dramatically into the sea. This is where you can find secluded coves, perfect for snorkeling in the clear turquoise water, discovering a vibrant world just beneath the surface. Yet beyond the villages and the scenic drives, the island keeps its most profound secrets hidden from the sun. Deep within the limestone, a different world awaits. To find an entrance, often just a subtle fissure in the rock, and to enter one is to feel the island breathe a cool, ancient sigh. Vast caverns, like the famous caves of Drac and Hams, open up before you. Here, nature has become a sculptor over millennia. It feels like a lost subterranean kingdom, a cathedral built by water and time, where every drop is a chisel mark. Hidden lakes of crystal clear water lie perfectly still, their surfaces creating an illusion of infinite space, a mirror to a world of impossible beauty. In the profound silence, broken only by the echo of a distant water drop, you feel a connection to the deep, geological soul of Mallorca. Emerging back into the light is a form of rebirth. You carry the cool, silent breath of the cave with you, a secret shared with the island, a newfound appreciation for the sun on your skin and the vibrant colors of the world above. But there is another secret Mallorca, one revealed not in the depths, but at the heights, and only in the precious, fleeting moments of dawn. To hike a cliff-top trail in the pre-dawn twilight is to feel the world holding its breath in anticipation. And then, it happens. The sun crests the horizon, and a wave of liquid gold washes over the sea and stone. For these few precious minutes, the world feels perfect, pure, and untouched. The air is crisp, the silence is absolute, and you are the sole audience for this daily miracle. This is the reward for those who seek. It's a moment of profound connection, a feeling of being part of something immense and beautiful. The island has shared its most intimate moment with you, a memory etched not in stone, but in light. As the sun finally dips below the horizon, Mallorca undergoes its final transformation. The island does not go to sleep, it simply changes its clothes. The atmosphere is effortless elegance, warmth, atmosphere, and the simple pleasure of a beautiful evening. Each bite is a continuation of the day's journey, a taste of the land and sea that you have come to know. What is it that makes a place stay with you? It is a feeling that you have not just seen a place, but that you have connected with its soul. Mallorca is more than a destination. It is an experience that changes you. The island is no longer just a place on a map. It has become a part of your own story. Because the truth about Mallorca is this: you may leave the island, but it never, ever leaves you. It is real, and it is waiting.